Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Happy 77th Independence Day. The people of Pakistan celebrate this great day on 14 August every year. May this special day be filled with joy, pride, and celebration. May the spirit of freedom and independence continue to inspire and guide to the nation of Pakistan. May the people of Pakistan remain always in peace and prosperity, unity and harmony, progress and development, happiness and fulfillment. May the Qaidi's vision of a free and prosperous Pakistan be realized, and may the country continue to thrive and grow. My message to the people of Pakistan and the youth especially: be upright, honest, hardworking, humble, selfless, loyal, trusted, faithful, progressive, productive, and very polite. May Allah bless the people of Pakistan always. Pakistan, Pindabad.